What's up, guys? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, and today I want to report LTBR. This was the trade of the day, and this is one of those beautiful low float stocks that I'm looking for every single morning, and essentially applied the same strategy each and every time. And today this thing bucked the level that I wanted to get in, and it hit my target very, very quickly. And so I just wanted to show you what we were up to today on LTBR. Now, again, we put this out on Twitter like right out of the gate. That this is a stock that we were watching, and it was simply based on the amount of volume that was coming through and the actual size of the float itself. And so I was putting that out on Twitter. If you're not following us, we are at jlewistrading, and in the description box below, there's actually a link if you just want to hit it and connect with us. Feel free. But you can see that we were watching this pre-market. There was a lot of upwards activity. It was just moving higher and higher and higher. There was some news on this stock. And so there was obviously a catalyst that this thing was going to move and play out. And you can see right through here at 9:30, market opened, and it did so on some great volume. Price action moved up. It pulled back. It was in that pullback that I was looking for some trendline resistance to get taken out. Not sort of, but I planned my trade right through here. As soon as trendline resistance was set, I knew that this was the mark that I wanted to break out. As soon as price action started to bump off that 50 period and move up through the VWAP, I started to get very, very bullish on this. I set an entry target. I was filled. And my primary target on this was actually, it wasn't the deepest trade. It was worth the trade, and it wasn't huge. And it was that 283 mark that I was looking to get out. This thing just blasted through before I could even hit the sell trigger on this thing. At 283, 284, it just continued to rip through. It saw a high up through here at what is this? We saw a high right through here at 333. It pulled back. We started to see some negative prints right through here. And after a big move, negative prints, usually I become very, very skeptical. So I just decided to sell the position, and I was out on this trade for pretty much a 1.5 minute hold. So it wasn't a very long trade. It was a very profitable trade. We did do this on some decent size, and was a great way to start the Monday off. Again, we put this out on Twitter, and check us out at jlewistrading. Everything is time-stamped. Every single morning we're putting out these sort of de facto alerts about stocks that we're watching. So if you're interested, that's at jlewistrading. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We're always putting free stuff out there. And feel free to connect with us anytime. You can reach me personally at info@jlewistrading.com. And we got some free gifts in the description box below. Feel free to take advantage of those. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.